Welcome my dear students in 7th class. So we learn subject maths. We start chapter number 6 indices. We completed part number 6.3. Today we learn part number 6.4 square and square root. Hey, find the square. Let's recall square. For example, 6 raised to 2. 6 into 6 is equal to 36. Read as the square of 6 is 36. 4 square 4 into 4 is equal to 16. 10 square 10 into 10 is equal to 100. Meaning of the square: when a number is multiplied by itself, the product of obtained is the square of the number. 12 square 12 into 12 144. 15 square 15 into 15 is equal to 225. So far we seen the square of the positive numbers. Let us learn the square of negative numbers. Square of negative numbers. For example, minus 5 raised to 2, minus 5 into minus 5, minus minus plus, plus 25. Negative number square is positive square, positive number. Read as the square of minus 5 is 25. Next example, minus 8 into minus 8, two negative numbers, add positive 64, minus 8 square is equal to 64. Find the square of given numbers. Here 5 numbers given. Find the square of these numbers. 13 square 169, 18 square 324, 25 square is 625, 40 square is 1600, 55 square is 3025. Square read as the square of 13 is 169. In this example, we find squares. Next, B, we find square root. Meaning of square root is finding which square of a given number is the square root. म्हणजेच दिलेली संख्या कोणत्या संख्येचा वर्ग आहे हे शोधणे. लेट्स लर्न स्क्वेअर रूट. For example, 3 into 3, 3 square is equal to 9. Here the square of 3 is 9, or we can say that the square root of 9 is 3. म्हणजेच 9 चे वर्गमूळ 3 आहे. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Symbol of square root. This is symbol of square root. Write down examples. 8 square is equal to 64. 64 is equal to 8. This square root read as square root of 64 is 8. Finding the square root of given numbers. I give 5 examples of square root. First example is find the square root of 144. Square root of 144 is 12. Square root of 16 is 4. Square root of 100 is 10. Square root of 225 is 15. Next, find the square root of positive and negative numbers. For example, 8 into 8, 8 square is 64. Minus 8 into minus 8, minus 8 square is 64. Square root of 64 is 8. Square root of 64 is minus 8. Square root is positive and positive or negative numbers. Mostly we consider the positive square root. म्हणजेच आपण बहुतेक वेळा धन वर्गमुळांचाच विचार करतो. मोस्टली वी कन्सिडर द पॉझिटिव्ह स्क्वेअर रूट. पॉझिटिव्ह अँड निगेटिव्ह स्क्वेअर रूट. 81 is equal to 9 into 9 is equal to minus 9 into minus 9. Square root of 81 is 9 and negative square root of 81 is minus 9. Negative 9. We consider the positive square root because negative number square root is positive number and positive number square root is positive number. So we consider positive square root. There are two methods of exhausting square roots. One, factors method. Second, division method. In this part we learn factors method. Question 1. Find the square root of 144. Find the square root of 144. Here we find factors, vertical method and horizontal method. 144 is even number, so that divided by 2. 2 sevens are 14, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 nines are 18, 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3. I write down factors of 144. 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 3 into 3. Next, find factors by horizontal method. Divided by 2, 2 into 36, 2 into 2, 2 into 18, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 9, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 3 into 9. Write down factors of 144. 4 times 2 and 3 2 times. Here I create group of 2 numbers, same numbers. 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 2 into 3. Same method two side. Square root of 144 is 12. Square root of 144 is 12. We find square root by factor method. Next example, find the square root of 324. Vertical method and horizontal method. 324, 324. Same method. Here even number, so that I divided by 2. 162, 81 divided by 3, 27 divided by 3, 9 divided by 3, 3 ones are 3. 324. Find factors 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 3. I create group of same numbers. 2 into 3 into 3. 2 threes are 6, 6 threes are 18. Square root of 324 is 18. Find the square root by horizontal method. Find factors of 324 by horizontal method. 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 9. 2 into 2, 3 into 3 and 3 into 3. Here find all factors of 324. Write down these factors in multiplication form. From pairs of equal factors from the prime factors obtain. Take one factor from each pair and multiply. Square root of 324 is 18. Find the square root of 9801. I find factors only one method, vertical method. This number is odd number. Addition, digits of this number. 9, 8 plus 1, 18 divided by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 3 6s are 18 and 3 7s are 21. 3267. Addition all digits in this number. Addition is 18 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 8s are 24. 3 9s are 27. Addition of digits in this number 18. So I divided by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 6s are 18. 3 3s are 9. 363 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 4. 4 is not number of table 3. So did not divided by 3. I divided by 11. 11 ones are 11. 11 ones are 11. 11 ones are 11. Here I find all factors of 9801. All factors write down in multiplication form. 3 into 3, 3 into 3, 11 into 11. To find the square root, take one number from each pair and multiply. 3 into 3, 9 into 11, 11 9s are 99. Square root of 9801 is equal to 99. Find the square root of 2304. I find vertical method. I find factors in vertical method. This is even number, so I divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. This is even number, so that divided by 2 again. 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14, 2 6s are 12. Divided by 2, quotient is 288. Divided by 2, quotient is 144. Divided by 2, quotient is 72. Divided by 2, quotient is 36. Quotient is 18. Divided by 2, quotient is 9. 9 divided by 3, 3 ones are 3. A total of 10 factors were found in this number. These 10 factors write down in a horizontal method, multiplication form. 2 is 8 times. Factors find 10. 2 multiply 8 times and 3 multiply 2 times. Or pairs of equal factors from the pairs factors obtained. Take one factors from each pair and multiply. 2 into 2 4, 2 into 2 4, into 3, 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are 48. Square root of 2304 is 48. In this way, we find factorized method square root of this number. So, today we learn find the square and find the square root. I hope you have understood the method of exhausting square root. Today's homework, practice set 30. Thanks. Stay home, stay safe and study regularly.